welcome back to my channel Learn English with Vasanti. In this video I'll tell you how to compliment food in different ways. To compliment means to praise or to admire someone for something. मतलब कि किसी की तारीफ करना. You can compliment someone for his or her looks, achievement in job or career, or say for food that he or she has made. And today's video is all about praising food. In this video I'm going to give you 10 adjectives to compliment food, or say I'm going to give you synonyms of tasty, the most common word we all use to describe food. These 10 adjectives are super easy to remember that you can use whenever you want. But before we move to the video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to never miss a video from my channel. So let's get started. So the first word in our list is amazing. Amazing means something very nice, attractive, very impressive. Or instead of this, you can say awesome, which means the same. And the example is, my mom makes an amazing cupcakes. Means something very tasty, which looks very attractive. And the next word is delicious. Delicious means a food that gives you delight, something that gives you pleasure, a food that makes you feel happy from within. And the example is, my brother made a delicious chocolate cake on my birthday. And the next word is mouth-watering. Mouth-watering means something very tempting, something that brings you water in your mouth. मतलब ऐसा खाना जो आपके मुंह में पानी ले आए, like mango pickle. And the example is, I love to eat mouth-watering butter chicken masala in rainy season. By the way, what do you like to eat in rainy season? Please let me know in the comment section. And the next word we have is yummy. Yummy means something really good, something which has really good taste. And simply you can say yum shortly. And the example is, it's better to eat yummy, healthy homemade food in the time of pandemic. And the next word we have in our list is appetizing. Appetizing means a food that arouses one's appetite, means a food that makes you feel hungry. And the example is, when I'm hungry, I can only think of appetizing chicken cheeseburger, and that melted cheese makes me more hungry. And the next word is palatable. Palatable means enjoyable, tasty food. Means something which is very awesome, which is very amazing in taste. And the example is, Amit makes nutritious palatable dishes by watching YouTube videos. And the next word is toothsome. Toothsome means finger licking food. मतलब ऐसा खाना you will literally feel like licking your fingers. मतलब वो खाना इतना टेस्टी होगा that you will literally feel like licking your fingers. And the example is, they served a toothsome food at the party. And the next word is luscious. Luscious means something which appeals strongly to the senses. मतलब ऐसा खाना जो दिखने में और उसकी जो स्मेल हो, खाने में इतना अच्छा हो, it will appeal to all your senses. And the next or the example is, I went for a walk and luscious street food grabbed all of my attention. And the next word we have is juicy. Juicy means something which is full of colors and juices. And let's use this word in a sentence. And the example is, juicy chicken dum biryani is my all-time favorite dish. And the last word we have in our list is flavorful. Flavorful means something which is full of flavors. And the example is, who doesn't like flavorful ice cream? So that's all I had to say, my friends. I hope you liked the video. Please give a big thumbs up, and if you have anything to say, please let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to make videos on other topics, please let me know that too. Stay safe, stay home, and stay awesome. Bye bye, take care.